up, Scotty?
You got it.
Right there. And then to the left just a little bit.
Yep.
Try to make it up to this tree. Yep, right there. Bobby said something about my ego. They don't make cranes that go that high.
Yeah, this thing's only rated for 34,000. The fucking, you know what's weird about the swing is like, because it's supposed to be left-right from the cab or whatever, but I think depending on what side you're using the levers on, it's different.
It could be. No, they should be the same. They should be, because if you, when you hit the levers, if you look at the other side, they move too.
Yeah, I just mean, I know for a while when I was doing left-right, it was left, like if you're facing the cab, left meant left from that direction. But right now, it's going left where it says left. Like every time I start a job with it, I gotta like make sure which way is left and right.
Oh. Now we're getting those sticks in the ass. Cut it, not be a fucking sissy. It's not the fall that hurts. Actually, I am gonna cook.
The last one I'm pretty sure is tooth. This might be some jawbone.
Oh, I got that split.
Oh yeah.
Like a fucking G, baby. And you should be able to,
Cable it straight